All right, here we are. Okay, so we're on the puzzle 8. And like last time, I'm going to just take a quick look over at my board. And things look much different, right? Much different than what they've looked like. So we're getting a little change up. Some things are the same, looks like, I shouldn't say things are the same. We're collecting one corn all the way up, then one pumpkin. This is different though. Look, we don't have a limitation on the amount of corn or the amount of pumpkin blocks we can use. But I'm looking over here, we can only use 8 blocks. Only 8. Man, in my mind, I'm thinking we had a lot more blocks to do less earlier. So that's one thing that pops out of my mind right now. One problem we might have. Let me look over here. Directions.
Collect all of the corn and all of the pumpkins.
Okay, so it's the same exact directions. Nothing's changed. The directions are the same, but I've got less blocks to work with, and I can use more pick pumpkin and use more pick corn buttons. But I don't know if that's going to help me because I'm thinking, man, only 8 blocks. So I like to look for patterns too. And I'm looking right here. I'm noticing a pattern. This looks like a set of stairs to me right off the bat. I don't know if some of you caught that. So let me get the first part. I'm going to build this and just kind of see what happens. Let's build the first part and go from there. So a lot of times it can be intimidating, right? You're saying, wait a second, I can't imagine myself getting to the top there. This might take way too long. Let's just start with the first step. We'll start to figure out what to do here and to get us started. And usually those first couple steps inform you. They help you. They get you going, okay? You can't think of this whole thing as one big piece, or otherwise you can be intimidated. And it's okay to feel that way too, by the way. It's okay to feel like, man, might be challenging. And at first you might think, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this. But that's part of this, why I love computer programming, guys. This teaches you how to be persistent. This teaches you how to be flexible. This teaches you how to problem solve every step of the way, okay? So let's try this. Let's move forward. And then I'm going to pick corn. And then I think I'm going to go, I'm looking at this. If I go straight, I'm going to waste a spot. I think I can go over, pick corn, turn right, and go up to that pumpkin, then pick the pumpkin, right? Let me see where I'm at. Turn. Okay, now I'm going to move forward, pick pumpkin. Move forward, pick pumpkin. Try this. Ooh. And then I got to turn left. I'm looking over here. I'm already getting a little nervous, right? I'm just saying to myself, man, I've already used all my blocks. Ah! What am I going to do? But I'm thinking, let's see. What can I do? If I can only use one block, it's probably going to be the repeat block, right? If you're confused at this point, you could keep building. Try to find the pattern. You always want to try to find patterns. And if we did this pattern over, move forward, pick corn, right? Turn right. Looks like I'm going to turn right again. Then I'm going to go move forward. And then I'm going to pick the pumpkin. And then I'm going to turn left. I think that's what's happening, right? Let's try it. Reset and run it. Ah, I'm on to something, right? So let's find... Where did I start this? Check this out. This is where I started. Let's put it side by side over here. Oh, side by side over here. Look at this. What are we noticing? Move forward, move forward. Pick corn, turn right, forward, pumpkin, left. There was a pattern there. Oh, so how many times does this repeat is the question. Watch what I'm going to do. Plop this baby in, drag that baby in, and I've got my repeat button in there, right? This is a repeating pattern. That's when we use loops, is when we see patterns in our code, right? So let's press run. Ooh. Okay. Oh, not enough. Reset. Try 6. Let's see if that works. Run it. I think I'm going to be one short. Yep, I'm one short. But guess what? What do I do? 7. Run it. Have no fun with it. All right. Got it. Okay. A couple things you might have seen me do. Some techniques. If you need to move a whole block of code, pull from the top. If you start pulling from the bottom, you're going to start breaking it apart. So find the area you want to move and move it around. Another thing you might have saw me do is to slip a repeat block in there. I brought the repeat block in, left it, and automatically knocked this down, and look what I did. Pulled from the top and got it in. Just a couple little quick techniques to help you. Hope this is helpful, guys. If you need me, let me know. I'm here. Shoot me an email, and let's do this together.